Small business acquisitions is highly trust-based, in my opinion. I mentioned the trust test. You're going to be tested. Are you honest? Are you trustworthy in these small businesses? So if you are a buyer looking to purchase a business or pursue this path, the more honest and open you can be, in my opinion, the better off you'll be in the long term. On the flip side, look for those intangibles in the seller or business you want to buy. So just be careful about that. And ways you can avoid that is risk mitigation. Work with a good deal team, partner up with someone in a search. Don't do this alone or DIY because that can cause a lot of your risk factors to increase.
So again, the more you know about how things operate, the more you know where the risks are that you need to mitigate, which is the real question. Reducing risk, any lawyer can say, well, we can bound this statement by doing this. Great, but if you don't know where the risk sits at a company, you can bound this statement wherever you want, and the risk was really up here all along. Knowing where to spot the risk is a huge piece of that, and operating in that business is going to give you a lot better view of where the risks actually are.
Conducting your own set of due diligence and understanding the business you're buying or thinking about buying, you are only as good as your level of effort. Certainly, a third party can come in and give you a report, but if you don't understand what that report means, or again, if they're looking over there and the hockey puck is on the other side of the rink, you're never going to find these risks.